Here are essential equipment and packing tips for your trek. Proper equipment, gear, and clothing are key to a successful trek. However, it is always a good idea to travel light. You can store your extra luggage at the Discovery World Trekking Store for free. Here are some essential things you need for high-altitude treks in Nepal. 1. Trekking boots. The most important thing you will need for the trek is a pair of good trekking shoes that has ankle support, durable soles, and fits well. Make sure your boots are sturdy and comfortable for long hikes. 2. Backpack. We provide one porter for every 2 trekkers and each trekker's luggage weight limit is 9 kilograms. So, you will need 2 duffel bags, one small with around 20 liters capacity and the other large with over 60 liters. You can use the smaller bag for yourself to carry essential documents, such as passport photocopies, and valuables, such as jewelry, cell phone, etc. The larger bag is for the porter. We recommend you partner with a fellow trekker and pack your things together in the larger duffel bag. Make sure to purchase waterproof and comfortable duffel bags. 3. Clothing. The exact type of clothing you need to pack depends on the trek region, elevation, and trek season. Pay attention to layering so that you can trek comfortably. The base layers need to be moisture-wicking and a waterproof, breathable outer shell to stay warm and dry. You will need a hiking shirt, long-sleeved shirt, hooded rain jacket, down jacket, lightweight cotton pants, t-shirt, polypropylene underwear, sweater, waterproof jackets, and pants. You will need one pair of lightweight gloves and another heavyweight winter gloves to protect your hands. Do not forget to get a suitable down jacket. You can purchase it in Kathmandu as well. You will need a sun hat, winter hat, or wide-brimmed hat as well. If you are trekking in cold regions, bring a beanie, warm gloves, and mittens. You will also need wool or synthetic socks for good insulation. 4. Toiletries and personal accessories. As you will be trekking for several days, pack daily use items such as a drying towel, toothpaste, toothbrush, deodorant, biodegradable soap, a small mirror, and nail clippers. You might also bring with you a watch, a cell phone, and a camera. 4. Trekking poles. Trekking poles reduce strain on your knees and provide stability on uneven terrain. Choose lightweight adjustable poles with ergonomic grips for added comfort. 5. Sleeping bag. You need to carry a cozy sleeping bag for a good night's rest. Buy a sleeping bag rated for the expected temperature. 6. Hydration and nutrition. Hydration is very important during the trek as you will be respiring more. You can carry a water bottle or a water bladder. Pack some water purification pills. Consider packing a thermal bottle as well. As you will be hiking for long hours, you will also need enough energy, so consider packing energy-rich snacks. 7. Navigation tools. Bring a detailed map, compass, or GPS device to ensure you stay on the right path. 8. First aid kit. Safety first. Carry a well-stocked first aid kit with essentials like bandages, pain relievers, and antiseptics to handle minor injuries on the trail. 9. Headlamp, sunglass, and sun protection. Be prepared for day and night. A headlamp provides hands-free lighting in the dark. Pack some extra batteries for your headlamp as well. 10. Crampons. If your trek crosses high passes, you must pack a pair of crampons. The right gear, equipment, and clothes are a must for safe and comfortable trekking. So, pack all the essentials and enjoy your trek.
Visit our website at www.discoveryworldtrekking.com. Contact us via email, info@discoveryworldtrekking.com or phone, WhatsApp, Viber at +977 984 0055491.